In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect paper trading in TradingView and start practicing trades with virtual funds. To begin, open any chart on TradingView. It does not matter which market you choose for this setup, because the goal here is simply to access the chart interface and enable the built-in simulation feature. Once the chart is open, make sure you are on the main charting screen, since that is where the trading tools and account connections are available. Next, look toward the bottom section of the screen and click the Trading Panel tab. This area is where TradingView lets you connect to different brokers and trading environments. If you have never used it before, think of it as the control center for executing trades directly from your chart. Opening the trading panel is an important step because paper trading is managed from there. After that, locate the option called Paper Trading by TradingView and click Connect. This is the simulated trading environment provided inside TradingView, and it is designed specifically for practice. It allows you to experience the process of placing and managing trades without using real money. That makes it a great tool for beginners who want to learn the mechanics of order execution, and it is also useful for more experienced traders who want to test ideas in a safe environment. When the connection window appears, click Connect again to initialize the simulated account. By default, TradingView usually starts you with a virtual balance of $100,000. This is not real capital, of course, but it gives you a realistic workspace for practicing entries, exits, position sizing, and general platform familiarity. If your panel updates successfully, that means your demo account is now active and ready to use. At this point, you can start placing demo trades with zero financial risk. This is where you can practice execution, get comfortable with the order ticket, and understand how your trades appear on the chart. Take your time here and focus on learning the workflow rather than chasing results. The main advantage of paper trading is that it helps you build confidence and improve discipline before moving into a live environment. As a quick tip, make sure you pay attention to how orders are opened, modified, and closed, because those are the core actions you will repeat most often.